Should you wish to change any settings on your La Specialista Prestigio, follow these simple steps. When energy saving is enabled, the light will show up on the display panel. The function reduces energy consumption in compliance with the European regulations. However, when this is activated, steam delivery may take longer to begin. Press the ×2 and My button for 5 seconds to access menu settings. Press the hot water button to either turn energy saving on or off. Press the on standby button to confirm your new setting. Enter the menu setting by pressing the ×2 and My button for 5 seconds and then keep the My button pressed for a further 5 seconds until the light starts flashing. The machine will reset and heat up ready for good coffee. This setting allows you to set the range of the grinding adjustment levels. Enter the menu setting by pressing the ×2 and My button for 5 seconds and then turn the dial to espresso. Then press either the ×2 button for first range or temperature button for second range. Press the on or standby button to confirm your new setting selection. It's important to test your water before using the Prestigio so that you can set the water hardness. Complete the strip test that comes in pack and according to your result, adjust the hardness setting here. To access the menu settings, press the ×2 and My buttons together for 5 seconds and turn the dial to Americano. There are 3 options depending on your result. Press the ×2 button for the soft water setting. This will set a longer time between each descale reminder. Press the temperature button for medium hardness. Press the OK button for the hard water setting. This will leave the least amount of time between descales. Press on or standby button to confirm your new setting selection. Auto off can be set so that your La Specialista Prestigio switches off after 9 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes or 3 hours. Enter the menu setting by pressing the ×2 and My button for 5 seconds and turn the dial to coffee. Then press either the ×2 button for 9 minutes, the temperature button for 1 hour 30 minutes, or the OK button for 3 hours. Press the on standby button to confirm your new setting selection. Coffee dose dial. ×2 button when using the 21 gram basket, coffee temperature button, OK button to deliver the beverage or confirm your selection, hot water button, My button to customize beverage quantity, mode selector dial, espresso, Americano, coffee, descaling, descale light, steam ready light, no bean container light, energy saving light, cleaning light, bean container empty, no water light,
and tamping light.